Okay, hello sir. So we're here with Nestle Cloud Toy Factory, right?
Yes.
Got it. And what are you manufacturing? What kind of products do you sell?
Okay. We look at this dolphin. And this horrible dog. This horrible.
Shark, right? Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, this looks almost like real. This is cool.
It looks like it's just jumping out of the water.
What is this for? Can you open it or?
This is to pump the air into the
Oh, pump the air, right?
Yes. It's
Got it.
inflatable. Very soft. Very soft.
Very soft, right?
No harmful material.
Is it water resistant? So like you can put it in the water?
Yes.
Waterproof as well, right? So you can play with it in the water as well, right?
You can hold.
Wow. Wow, that's very
even
nice.
You can sleep with it on the bed.
On a bed even, right?
There's no water on the bed, but you can hold it.
Still, right?
Maybe the kid can hold it.
Got it.
Sleep with this creation.
This is very cool. And this is all according to all the safety standards, right? So,
That's right. You can kiss it.
oh really? Okay. Yeah. Got it. That's nice. So, sleep on it, right? And these are the alligators, right? Got it. So what is so special about these toys? Why are they soft inside?
It's very good for stress relief. It's stretchable.
Oh, okay. So you can stretch, right?
Stretch very long, very long.
Oh, wow.
Springy. And that's good for stress relief. If you are feel nervous, you can feel nervous. You can play with this toy.
And it will calm you down a little bit, right?
Comfort you.
Got it. And this is for kids for 3+ years old, right?
3 years.
Starting from 3. How about this one? The same?
Also, all
3 years old and higher, right?
Everything for 3 years.
3 years old. Got it.
Have a large age range.
Got it. Large age. Even for us, we can, right? Now,
For you and for me.
How long has the company been on the market?
For 10 years.
10 years,
10
right?
years.
10 years. And so far, how many toys are you selling every year?
Thousands or millions of.
Oh, a lot, right?
I'm comfortable.
Got it.
For international clients, international market.
Got it. So for international market, you sell all around the world as
All
well,
around
right?
the world.
Which countries can you name?
North America, Europe, Middle East, and South Asia.
Southeast Asia, right?
Southeast Asia.
Got it. Makes sense. Wow, wonderful. And what is your favorite toy? What is your personal
My favorite toy.
Yeah.
That's
Show
my
me,
favorite
please.
toy. You can look at this, our new product.
Why is this your favorite?
It's very safe, also very safe. And I feel it's smiling at me, smiling at you.
And it looks very real, right? Wow.
Very gentle.
It's like smiling at you, and it's very soft, right?
We love creation of the ocean.
Yeah, wow, wonderful.
Creation.
Wonderful. Wonderful,
Yes,
wow.
guys. This is the spoonwell.
Also very nice material, right?
That's animal of the earth. Also, we have mini triceratops.
But this one is harder, right? Oh, it's also soft, right?
This you can sound.
Make some? Oh, make some. Oh, like real, right? Wow. And then can you change the battery, or how does it work?
Yes.
Can change the battery, right?
Yes.
You just press it and then it goes, right? You press it and then it goes.
Fast.
Wow, that's very cool.
Slowly.
And how can the customer contact you? Do you have email or WeChat, or how can they contact you?
Yes.
By email?
By email or by WeChat.
By WeChat, right? Got it. Makes sense. So we will provide the WeChat later as well. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, and have a good day. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.